Hey everyone, if you want to get a job fast using LinkedIn in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get a job quickly using LinkedIn. First, optimize your LinkedIn profile immediately. Add a professional photo, strong headline, and updated experience so recruiters trust your profile. Next, turn on the Open to Work feature. This signals to recruiters that you are actively looking for opportunities. Now use the jobs section daily. Check new listings regularly so you don't miss fresh opportunities. Apply fast using Easy Apply. Early applications often get more attention from recruiters. Customize your resume for each job. Don't use the same resume everywhere. Tailor it to match the job requirements. Connect and message recruiters directly. Don't just apply, also reach out to increase your chances. Stay active on LinkedIn by posting and engaging daily. Active profiles get more visibility and job opportunities. So yeah, that's how you get a job fast using LinkedIn in 2026. Follow each step carefully, stay consistent, and you'll increase your chances of getting hired quickly. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.